Dear students, I am S. Nirmal Sweha, Assistant Professor of ECE Department in Einstein College of Engineering. In today's session, we are going to see the important questions which are repeatedly asked for university examinations for the subject Principles of Management. This paper is for third year ECE students. The subject code is MG8591. I have summarized the questions based on previous year Anna University examination question papers. So keep these questions as guidance for your revision and prepare well. Let's get started. Our first unit is Introduction to Management and Organizations. I have also mentioned the syllabus in each unit, so please go through it. Now the important 2 marks for first unit are as follows. First one, what are the functions of a manager? Second one, give current trends in management. Third, define management. Fourth, what is an organizational culture? Fifth one, define partnership. Sixth one, distinguish between public and private limited companies. Seventh one, what is scientific management? Eighth one, difference between managerial effectiveness and efficiency. Ninth one, list the roles of managers according to Mintzberg. 10th one, what is Hawthorne effect? 11th one, what are the different levels of management? 12th one, mention the 3 approaches generally adapted by managers in selecting an alternative. 13, what do you understand by management science theory X? 14th one, list the 3 essential skills according to Katz that managers need to perform their duties. 15th, what is systems approach to management? These are the most important 2 mark questions for the first unit. Now let's see the big questions. Big questions mean 13 or 15 mark questions. We have 5 repeatedly asked questions. They are, first one, explain in detail about the different types of business organization. Second one, discuss in detail the evolution of management. Third one, explain the different roles and functions of a manager. Fourth one, explain current trends and issues in management. Fifth one, explain in detail the various principles of management as advocated by Henry Fayol. With this, first unit is over. Now the second unit. The unit 2 is planning. The important 2 mark questions are, first one, what is meant by policies? Second one, define MBO. Third one, state the purpose of planning. Fourth one, list the planning tools available in business management. Fifth one, what do you understand by strategic management? Sixth one, distinguish between policy and rules. Seventh one, what is decision making? Eighth one, define planning premises. Ninth one, state the steps in planning. 10th, distinguish between strategies and policies. 11th one, distinguish between strategical and tactical planning. 12th one, state any 2 decision making strategies. 13th one, what do you mean by planning? 14, what is an objective? And last 15th one, state the different types of planning. Now let's move to the big questions. First one, discuss in detail about the classification of planning premises. Second one, explain briefly about the decision making steps and process. Third one, explain the general planning process adapted by the business organization. Fourth one, explain in detail about the various types of planning. And fifth one, define MBO, explain the various steps involved in it. With this, the second unit is over. Let us now see the third unit. Unit 3, it is organizing. Here the 2 mark questions are, first one, what is delegation of authority? Second one, define career management. Third one, what do you understand by organization chart? Fourth one, define departmentation. Fifth one, what is meant by performance appraisal? Sixth one, what is job design? Seventh one, what is organizational structure? Eighth one, define organizing. Ninth one, give 2 examples for line organization. 10th one, define decentralization, mention its advantages. 11th one, what is the purpose of human resource management? 12th one, define staffing. 13, what is meant by functional authority? 14th, distinguish between authority and power. And 15th one, define the term career planning and career development. Now the big questions. First one, explain briefly about the various types of departmentation. Second one, describe the human resource management activities in a business organization. Third one, explain any 4 types of organization structures. Fourth one, distinguish between training and development and explain the various methods of training. Fifth one, discuss the types of centralization and explain about the organizational culture. With this, the third unit is over. Now let's move to the fourth unit. Unit 4 is directing. The important 2-mark questions are: first one, what is job satisfaction? Second one, define job enrichment. Third one, what are the elements in the Maslow's hierarchy of needs? Fourth one, what is effective communication? Fifth one, mention few motivational techniques. Sixth one, what is brainstormity? Seventh one, mention the various types of leadership skills or leadership styles. Eighth one, define theory X. Ninth one, distinguish between motivation and satisfaction. 10th one, mention any 2 leadership qualities. 11th one, define leadership. 12th one, distinguish between leader and manager. 13, list any 4 methods of non-verbal communication. 14th, what is laissez-faire leadership? 15th, what is meant by downward communication? In this unit, only 3 big questions are repeatedly asked. So let us go through it. First one, discuss the different theories of motivation. Second one, explain the various types of leadership with its different styles. Third one, explain the different barriers and breakdowns of communication process. With this, the fourth unit is completed, and the last unit, unit 5, it is controlling. The important 2-mark questions are: first one, what is preventive control in management? Second one, why controlling is important? Third one, what is budgetary control? Fourth one, what do you understand by productivity? Fifth one, what are the uses of computers in management control? Sixth one, discuss the productivity problems in the management. Seventh one, what do you understand by zero-based budgeting? Eighth one, define budget. Ninth one, what is MIS? 10th one, what is internal audit? 11th one, define breakdown analysis. 12th, what do you understand by flexi budgets? 13, what is controlling? 14, what are the uses of computers in handling information? And 15th one, name any 2 HR related controlling techniques. Now the big questions. First one, describe in detail about the 3 steps in control process. Second one, discuss the uses of computers and IT in management control. Third one, discuss in detail about the budgetary and non-budgetary control techniques. Fourth one, discuss how the communication through electronic media is helpful for effective business. With this, the 5 units important questions are over. Just keep these questions as guidance for your revision purpose so that you can learn the questions very easily and you can succeed in the upcoming examination. Wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching. Thank you.